you just like walk along like that and you can say, well, this is the shooting club, the Andrew Cox shooting club. Oh, yeah.
These are my problem shots. Pull!
Do you get it?
Yeah.
Wow.
Pull!
Wow.
I've been getting better at these. Right.
Press it now, it doesn't matter.
Is it on now?
Yeah, it's on now.
Okay. This is Andrew Cox reporting on leading specialist Dave Atkinson practicing for the Olympics. We're just going to do a left to right, a right to left crosser here.
It's not a microphone,
So
it's a camera.
It's coming out.
Look,
Oh, it's
look
in a
at the
camera.
image.
I thought you said it was a video.
It is, yeah, but you got to look, that's the lens on the front.
Oh, right, sorry. Right, are you ready? It's going to come out of there and just go across there. And you're going to follow it, get in front of it,
Okay.
shoot it.
Pull!
Missed. You shot, where did you shot there?
I don't know.
Keep the gun coming to your, right?
Pull!
You waited far too long there.
That was bloody rubbish. It was rubbish.
And again.
And then you turn it round, face me.
Okay.
Okay. Pull!
Now, same principle. No, far too early. No, I mean, when I said you waited too long, I didn't mean shoot it as it comes out.
Okay, alright, pull.
Just relax, wait on your front foot. I'm not going to, just let me get you organised. Are you looking down the barrel?
Yeah.
Get on it, pull through it, shoot in front. Try and miss it in front.
Okay. Pull.
Now, what happened?
It's because the camera was on. I did?
I know, and I didn't get on it.
Oh, okay.
So I didn't shoot, you see.
Okay.
That's the rule. There's no point shooting if you're not going to hit it. Pull. Pull.
So what were you doing wrong there?
I was behind it. I didn't block it out, didn't get on it properly. Quite too quick. See, some birds are actually too quick.
Yeah.
I mean, for your skill level. And, you know, I'm not that great shot. No, see, when you get beyond here, they're quicker.
Yeah.
This is much more difficult this end. Those are slower, easier shots. So, we probably will not be going over there. Going this way. Down the bottom end is grab shooting. And they're going like...
And they're quick.
They're going like Ferraris.
Yeah.
I mean, I have it some. I have it some, but it's very difficult. You know, I don't aspire to be a world class. I would like to hit this one before we give you a chance. Well.
Oh, well done.
Now you see, I didn't get that in properly. It's just that I was under an eye, and I thought, I've got to shoot now. If I try and get it in there, I'll miss it. I'll see if I get it again. I'll let you have a go. Pull.
There you go.
Just a minute, let me. Are you ready?
Pull. I got it.
Good man.
Pull. Oh. Hey!
Shoot it. Pull. Pull. I struggle with it. Try again. I'm not blocking them out. What it is, left to right, and I struggle to do.
I thought he was good.
Pull. Oh.